What's your question?
I have a question for you. Do you or do you not love Catherine or BX07?
I love Catherine, but it's not having attention from me. Sorry. Sorry. I love you, Catherine.
Paki-LD nga, please. Huwag niyo pag-7, please. Huwag niyo pag-7, please. Napapagod na ako pa-LD.
Why do you love Catherine?
I like Catherine because she's so simple. I like girls that's so simple.
Ingon siya.
I like girls who play RF online.
So you love me?
We're friends.
But how come you love Catherine or BX07?
I love Catherine because he support me in CUS4.
Yeah.
That's why I like what date with her.
So what's your message for Catherine?
I love you, Catherine.
Yeah.
I hope you will grant my wish to have date from you.
Yeah.